An umbrella LLC is a type of limited liability company that serves as an intermediary between independent contractors and their clients. It is a popular choice for freelancers, consultants, and other self-employed individuals who want to simplify their tax reporting and reduce their liability risks. Let's discuss the benefits of an umbrella LLC. 1. Liability protection. An umbrella LLC shields its members from personal liability for business debts and obligations. This means that if the company is sued or cannot pay its debts, the members' personal assets such as their homes and savings accounts are not at risk. 2. Tax advantages. An umbrella LLC can help independent contractors take advantage of tax deductions and other benefits that are not available to sole proprietors or other types of business entities. 3. Simplified administration. An umbrella LLC can handle many of the administrative tasks associated with running a business, such as invoicing, payment processing, and record keeping. This allows the members to focus on their core business activities and avoid time-consuming paperwork. 4. Professional image. An umbrella LLC can help independent contractors present a more professional image to clients and customers. It provides a formal business structure and a separate legal entity that can inspire confidence and credibility. Now that you understand the benefits of an umbrella LLC, let's look at the steps involved in doing so. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in setting up an umbrella LLC is to choose a name for your company. This name should be unique and not already in use by another business entity in your state. You can check the availability of your chosen name by searching your state's business registry. When choosing a name for your LLC, it's important to consider your branding strategy and target market. Your name should be memorable, easy to pronounce, and relevant to your business niche. You may also want to register a domain name that matches your LLC name to establish a strong online presence. Step 2. Select a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company that is designated to receive legal documents and other official notices on behalf of your LLC. This can include service of process, tax notices, and other important correspondence. Many umbrella LLC providers offer registered agent services as part of their package. Alternatively, you can choose to act as your own registered agent or appoint a trusted friend or family member. Step 3. Choose a business structure. An umbrella LLC is a type of limited liability company, which means that it provides personal liability protection for its members. However, there are different options when it comes to the tax treatment of your LLC. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. Most umbrella LLCs are structured as single-member LLCs, which are taxed as sole proprietorships. This means that all business income and expenses are reported on the member's personal tax return using Schedule C. However, if you have multiple members, you may want to consider a partnership or S corporation structure. Step 4. File Articles of Organization. Once you have chosen a name for your LLC and selected a registered agent, you will need to file Articles of Organization with your state's business registry. This is a legal document that establishes your LLC as a separate legal entity. The Articles of Organization typically require you to provide basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and business purpose. You will also need to pay a filing fee, which varies depending on the state. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An EIN, Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit number that is assigned to your LLC by the IRS. It is used to identify your business for tax purposes, and is required if you have employees or plan to open a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. The process is free and usually takes only a few minutes to complete. Once you have obtained an EIN, you can use it to open a business bank account and apply for business licenses and permits. Step 6. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, you may need to obtain various business licenses and permits before you can start operating your umbrella LLC. These can include business license, a general license that allows you to conduct business in your state or local area. Professional license, a specialized license that is required for certain professions, such as real estate agents or attorneys. Sales tax permit, if you plan to sell products or services, you may need to register for a sales tax permit with your state's tax agency. Occupational permit, a permit that is required for certain occupations, such as plumbers or electricians. You can find out more about the specific licenses and permits that you need by contacting your state or local government. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Opening a separate business bank account is essential for keeping your personal and business finances separate. It also makes it easier to track your business income and expenses for tax purposes. To open a business bank account, you will need to provide your LLC's Articles of Organization (AIN) and other relevant documents. You may also need to provide a minimum deposit and pay monthly fees. Step 8. Obtain business insurance. While an Umbrella LLC provides personal liability protection, it may not cover all types of risks and liabilities. That's why it's important to obtain business insurance to protect your LLC from unforeseen events and accidents. Some common types of business insurance include general liability insurance, covers bodily injury and property damage caused by your business. Professional liability insurance, covers errors and omissions made by your business in providing professional services. Workers' compensation insurance, covers medical expenses and lost wages for employees who are injured on the job. You can obtain business insurance through a licensed insurance broker or online insurance provider. Step 9. Choose an Umbrella LLC provider. There are many Umbrella LLC providers available, each with their own set of services and fees. Incfile is a popular provider. When choosing an Umbrella LLC provider, it's important to consider factors such as price. Compare the fees and packages offered by different providers to find the one that fits your budget. Services. Look for providers that offer a comprehensive range of services, such as registered agent, tax filing, and business consulting. Reputation. Check customer reviews and ratings to ensure that the provider has a good reputation for quality and customer service. Step 10. Sign up for an Umbrella LLC package. Once you have chosen an Umbrella LLC provider, you can sign up for their package that best suits your needs. This typically involves providing basic information about your business, such as your name, address, and EIN. The provider will then handle many of the administrative tasks associated with running your business, such as invoicing, payment processing, and tax filing. This allows you to focus on your core business activities and avoid time-consuming paperwork. In conclusion, setting up an Umbrella LLC can be a smart choice for independent contractors and self-employed individuals who want to simplify their tax reporting and reduce their liability risks. By following the steps outlined above, you can establish a separate legal entity for your business and enjoy the benefits of personal liability protection, tax advantages, and simplified administration. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your Articles of Organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the IncFiles Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because IncFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. IncFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.